Imagine swinging through dense jungle canopies, chattering with bright-eyed primates overhead. The rustling of leaves, the crack of branches, and the echo of curious calls fill the forest. Monkeys. They've captured human fascination for centuries. With their expressive faces, agile bodies, and social intelligence, they remind us of ourselves, yet they live in worlds far removed from modern human life. But how many types of monkeys are there? How are they grouped, and what makes each kind unique? Today on Wildcure, we peel back the branches of evolution to uncover the incredible variety of monkey species around the world. From the frozen mountains of China to the humid rainforests of the Amazon, monkeys have adapted in astonishing ways. By the end of this journey, you'll never look at these primates the same way again. So, how many monkey species exist? Estimates vary depending on how scientists classify subspecies, but most sources agree there are between 260 to over 330 distinct species. That's a staggering amount of diversity. Scientists broadly divide them into two major groups: Old World monkeys, native to Africa and Asia, and New World monkeys, found in Central and South America. This split isn't just geographic, it reflects deep evolutionary history. These two groups diverged around 40 million years ago, when ancestral primates migrated and evolved separately on different continents. Old World monkeys, like baboons, macaques, langurs, and colloques monkeys, belong to the Cercopithecidae family, which has around 135 species. Key traits include downward-facing nostrils, non-prehensile tails — they cannot grasp with their tails like their New World cousins — and many species have cheek pouches to store food. Let's spotlight a few. Macaques. From the snowy Japanese Alps to bustling Indian cities, macaques are highly adaptable. They live in forests, mountains, and even temples, often forming large social troops. Their intelligence and boldness sometimes bring them into conflict with humans, especially in urban areas where they raid food. Baboons. These ground-dwelling savanna dwellers are powerful, with long, dog-like muzzles. Their troops can number over 100, governed by strict hierarchies. Baboons are omnivores, eating everything from grass and fruit to small animals. Langurs and colobus monkeys. These are graceful, tree-dwelling leaf eaters with long tails and elegant coats. Colobus monkeys have reduced thumbs, giving their hands a hook-like shape ideal for swinging through trees. Langurs, sacred in Hindu tradition, are often seen near temples in India. The proboscis monkey, native to Borneo. Males sport comically large noses. These noses may help amplify vocal calls and attract mates. Proboscis monkeys are also strong swimmers, crossing rivers in mangrove swamps. And the golden snubbed nose monkey, found in China's snowy forests. These brilliantly colored monkeys withstand freezing winters, an incredible feat for a primate. Now, let's cross the ocean to the New World monkeys, found in Central and South America, which come from several families, totaling over 125 species. Their key traits include prehensile tails, an extra limb for climbing and grasping. They tend to be smaller than Old World monkeys, and their nostrils face outward and are spaced further apart. Species spotlights here include capuchins, known for intelligence and tool use. Capuchins have been observed cracking nuts with stones, using sticks to extract insects, and even rubbing themselves with plants that act as insect repellents. Spider monkeys. Tall, lanky, and incredibly agile, spider monkeys have long limbs and a prehensile tail that can support their full body weight. They are the tightrope walkers of the jungle canopy. Howler monkeys, famous for their deep, booming calls that can travel several kilometers. These calls mark territory and warn rivals. Their vocal power is thanks to an enlarged hyoid bone in their throats. Marmosets and tamarins, tiny, squirrel-sized monkeys with striking appearances. Some have lion-like manes, others sport elegant mustaches. They live in cooperative family groups where fathers often carry the babies. Squirrel monkeys, small, energetic, and highly social, squirrel monkeys traveled in groups of dozens. Their lively chatter fills the rainforest. And Yukari. Found in the Amazon basin, Yukari stand out with bald red faces. A bright red face is a sign of health, making it attractive to mates. Across both groups, monkeys have evolved astonishing adaptations. New World monkeys' prehensile tails act like a fifth limb. Old World monkeys lack this, but excel at ground foraging and leaping. Their diets vary wildly. Some species specialize in leaves, while others eat fruit, seeds, flowers, insects, or even small vertebrates. The variety in diet reduces competition. Socially, troops can be small families or massive herds. Hierarchies are complex, involving alliances, grooming, and dominance rituals. One fascinating fact: monkeys have developed different ways of communicating. Some use loud calls, some use subtle facial expressions, and others rely on scent marking. In many ways, their languages are as rich and nuanced as our own. Monkeys aren't just survivors, they are thinkers and players. Capuchins and macaques can solve puzzles and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Japanese macaques have been seen washing sweet potatoes in rivers, then teaching the behavior to younger generations. Play is another key aspect. Young monkeys chase, wrestle, and swing, not only for fun, but to practice coordination and social skills. Many scientists believe play is vital to the development of intelligence. For centuries, monkeys have been woven into human culture. In Hindu mythology, the monkey god Hanuman symbolizes strength, devotion, and bravery. In Chinese culture, the monkey king Sun Wukong is a trickster hero with supernatural powers. In medieval Europe, monkeys often appeared in art as symbols of mischief or human folly. Their resemblance to humans has always fascinated us, sometimes leading to respect, other times to exploitation. Sadly, many monkey species face dire threats today. Habitat loss from deforestation is the biggest danger, especially in the Amazon and Southeast Asia. Illegal wildlife trade targets small monkeys like tamarins and marmosets, which are sold as pets. Hunting and bushmeat practices in Africa and Asia reduced wild populations. Climate change threatens food sources and habitats. Some species, like the golden snub-nosed monkey and the red yukari, are endangered. Conservation groups are working to protect them through sanctuaries, ecotourism, and reforestation projects. Monkeys aren't just fascinating animals. They play vital roles in their ecosystems. Many are seed dispersers, ensuring that tropical forests regenerate. Their foraging behaviors help shape plant diversity. In turn, monkeys serve as prey for big cats, raptors, and snakes, anchoring food webs. Without monkeys, entire forests would change dramatically. From the lively New World acrobats to the stately Old World socialists, monkeys are a living testament to evolutionary innovation. They showcase the power of adaptation, the complexity of societies, and the beauty of biodiversity. Next time you spot one swinging through trees, sitting in a city park, or even staring back at you in a zoo, remember, behind those movements lies an incredible evolutionary story that connects them to us in ways deeper than we often realize. If you love this wild journey, don't forget to subscribe to Wildcure, hit the bell, and join us for more deep dives into the animal kingdom.